Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Kitchener, local and long-distance movers near me. We are a reputable cross-country and long-distance moving company with highly professional, experienced, trained, insured, and uniformed movers. We also have a fleet of the most modern, state-of-the-art vans and trucks with insurance covers that help to protect the security of your possessions while on transit. We also ensure you get all the arrival estimates that can get to you in different ways and in time, allowing you to plan for the move. Do not ever assume because you are moving your resident or office to a location less than 100 miles away that you don't need the services of a professional moving service. Yes, you might have to pay slightly more than you would, but you might not get the same professionalism if you hired a local trucking company to move your possessions. You might end up doing much of the packing and lifting by yourself. Leave it to all the professionals like 3 Movers to treat each move, irrespective of distance, with the dignity it deserves using the right tools and equipment. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kitchener moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.